Guys, Mike from Urban Automotive here to talk AC with our man, Mark.
Hi, it's Mark from Urban Automotive, just working on a big truck, changing an AC compressor. Just wanted to show you what's involved in this. We undo the belt, the bolts, the electrical, and the hoses after we suck it down and we pull out this bad air conditioning compressor.
That is super simple. Are they all that easy?
So simple, so simple.
Nice.
And then just to compare, as you can see where this one is all burnt on the clutch. The new one obviously is perfect. This is what rotates and pumps the compressor. The pulleys just always spin.
Now, what would cause this heating up and damage of this compressor?
I'm not sure, Mike. I think it's just overworked and pumping a lot, and after time it just starts deteriorating. There's a rubber in here, and with all the heat, the rubber deteriorates, and then you lose your pump. It's really a pump. It's a compressor, and it compresses the gases in the air, but it pretty much pumps your air conditioning.
Awesome.
Do the 134 on this truck. But if you have anything that's 2016 and newer, we go to this machine, which is the AC1234-4YF Freon gas to charge up your system. Keep you cool, whether you're going to work, a wedding, a funeral. Urban Automotive, safety first.